Peace. What's going on with your good people? Of course, you should already know. You back with your homeboy, Wrenchturna. It's been a few days, and I know I haven't put out a video. So, here we go. It is what it is, man. Run the intro. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling hey,
Feeling real hazy.
like now. It's C4,
baby.
It's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
But yeah, I'm just getting to the shop and take my shades off. I have this beautiful thing to be working on. About a year or so ago. By the way, this is mine. This and this one over here. If you don't know, that black and blue Blak, black and blue Blak, that black and blue bike is the R7. For those of you who have never seen my channel before, speaking of, if you've never seen my channel before, make sure that you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button. 80% of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, right down there, that little red button, click that for me, you know what I mean? And then if you do click that button, make sure you click that bell so then you get notification. You can find out when my videos come out, you know what I mean? Just a little YouTuber, you know what I mean? Trying to make a difference out here, alright? But first off, let me let you guys see this so you'll know what's going on later on, alright?
What's up, everybody? This is your girl Martine Myers coming in to let you all know that tonight at 8 p.m. EST on Instagram Live, author Martine Myers' handle, Mr. Wrenchturna, will be in the house with us, speaking to us, letting us all know about the updates on the shop, the brand, Wrenchturna, YouTube channel, Wrenchturna, as well as the brand Voss and Bridges, the merch line. So we're looking forward to having him on board. Please come through if you want to know anything related to business, getting some inspiration and motivation. Tonight is your night. He has so much to share. If you want to know about starting your own merch line, by all means, come through and get some insight and come with your questions. 8 p.m. EST tonight. Please don't miss it. Support. See you there.
If you're not doing anything, pull up tonight, check out my interview with Miss Martine, and I see some of you guys seen the old video, well, not old video, seen the first time author Miss Martine interviewed me, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. Obviously, you guys are. People are watching it, so we're about to do another interview, and hey, gonna have some fun. I gotta get ready to get into this bike, but just know, nothing's wrong with me. I'm okay. All is well. I'm just trying to formulate, man, because I used to get a lot of views on YouTube, you know what I mean? And then out of nowhere, I stopped getting so many views. So, you know, somebody else said to me, well, bro, you may have been shadow banned. And I'm just like, why would they shadow ban me? You know what I'm saying? Like I just talk about like mechanics and things of that nature. Like I don't talk about hurting anybody or doing anything to anybody or anything like that. You know what I mean? So I'm just it wouldn't make sense to me to shadow ban me because there's no hate coming from me. So, you know, if that is the case, whatever, man. You know what I mean? I like making videos. So I'm going to continue making videos, no matter who shadow bans me or try to stop you guys from seeing my videos. I make videos because I want to. Shop talk. Let me put this up here right quick. Yeah, I can put this right here. do that like that. All right, shop talk, right? I am going to change up the way that we do shop talk. And the reason being is because I want it to be more exciting. I want it to be this thing that, you know, when you see it, regardless if it's me promoting it on a social net or something, when you see it, I want you to click on it. You know what I mean? Like, because you know that I've been doing it. Here we are about to go into season 3 of Shop Talk. And I just want to up the game. You know what I mean? Like, I want to up what I'm doing and make what I'm doing 7 times better, if I can. You know what I mean? So I'm watching, I'm taking notes, and I'm learning from, you know, other successful YouTubers. And I'm not looking to copy their style, their cadence, their none of that. But just looking at things that people do to help themselves. That's what I'm looking to do. And you see that I've been hinting at car reviews again because I really miss doing car reviews. Those of you who know I miss doing car reviews. But I think that the new Shop Talk and the new, even if I don't do car reviews, I kind of liked doing the field test. Oh, pardon me. If you remember, I did the field test on the Audi R6. If you didn't see it, you can check that out right there. But even if I don't do car reviews, even if I just do like a field test or do a season full of field tests, I'm trying to come up with what's best for me, what's best for my channel, and what's best for you guys, the viewers, the gearheads, the DIYers, the people that do not mind getting dirty. This is one of the biggest reasons why I started my channel, is to do it for the people that don't mind getting dirty, like myself. Some of us have a good amount of skill that it does not take you mad long to figure out something. You know, sometimes things comes with instructions, sometimes they don't. But if you are good with your hands tight, most of the time you can figure things out. And if you can figure things out, DIYing is probably for you. You know what I mean? Because you are the person that can fix your own stuff, and you can look at a video and say, well, shit, I know how to do that. You know what I mean? So this is where I am in my YouTube career. I don't know how this thing will progress, or, you know, what all will come of this. I don't know. But just know I like making videos because I like being an asset and not a liability. Alright? I'm going to cap off this video. Thank you for tuning in. You know what I mean? You know, it's your boy Wrenchturna, just up on the tap in. Make sure that you visit Voice and Bridges. New hoodies on deck. They'll be up on the website real soon. These are zip 'em up hoodies. See that zipper right there? Wow. You know, the other ones was pullover, so we had to do some zip up ones because these are easier. Throw them on, take them off. Get too hot, zip it down. You know the vibes. So make sure you pull up on Voice and Bridges. Make sure you stop by and stay fly. You know the motto. And I will talk to you guys real soon. If you have any tips, comments, or heads up on something, you can say something down in the comments. You know, I would really appreciate it. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys real soon. Wrenchturna out. Wrenchturna out.